I'm at 11332 Terry Avenue, Bridgeton, Missouri 63044, doing a main sewer lateral inspection for Bob Vogel. Our access is a 4-inch cleanout located on the main stack in the basement. Currently looking at the connection to MSD. We want to start this point, come backwards, look for any cracks, breaks, root growth that might be in the line obstructing the flow of waste. Okay, here we're at or near the foundation of the home. This is the transition where it changes over from clay tile pipe to cast iron. Clay tile section of the main lateral is in good serviceable condition at this time. Here's our access, located in the basement, right next to the water heater. Cast iron section of the main sewer lateral is in good serviceable condition at this time. No visible cracks or breaks.